Hi everyone, in this tutorial we'll download the Oracle JDK 14, that is the latest version of Oracle JDK, and also we'll see how to set the Java path using environment variables. So for downloading the JDK, we need to open Chrome browser and we need to type JDK. But I see many of the cases where people are getting stuck. And they are not able to download the JDK and they are redirected to the Oracle sign-in page. But what is the mistake? Because people are typing only JDK and hitting on enter, and they are going to the first link, and once the page has been loaded, we can see list of files based upon the system architecture, for example the Linux, Mac OS, Solaris and Windows. But my system is of Windows 64-bit, so we'll be clicking on the JDK for 64. Once we click, we get a pop-up where it says we have to review and accept the license agreement. We click over here and we see, in addition to that, we have you will be redirected to the login screen in order to download the file, and that's where the problem arises, right? Once we click on JDK, we will be redirected to the sign-in page, and since we don't have credentials, we won't be able to download it. So what we can do to overcome this is go to the Google and you just type on JDK 14 download, since 14 is the latest version of JDK, and don't click on archive, go to the Java SE downloads and click over here. As we know, it is the latest version, so it's coming over here, and you can see here it's in Oracle JDK, and we can see a link of Oracle JDK download, right? So click over here, and once that has been done, again you can see the list of items based upon the system architecture. But we are interested on Windows 64 installer, so we'll be just clicking over here and a pop comes. And if you just click on JDK download, the JDK gets download. Based upon your network connection, it might take up to few minutes, but I'll be closing it and cancelling it because I have already downloaded it. So what we can do, we can go to my documents, the downloads, and we can just type JDK and see JDK 14.0.1 has been installed. Not installed, it's there, so we have to install it. For that we need to click on yes. Again we'll see a pop-up saying do we need to install it, so we have to click on next. It has arrived and we have to click on next, and we can see it's getting installed in C program file Java JDK. We have to click next, and it might take few seconds to few minutes. Let me see how long it's taking. So as we can see, it has been installed, so we have to click on close, and based upon that we know where it is located, right? So we have to go to this PC, then see program files, and you can see the Java, and you can see Java JDK has been installed. So we are cross verifying whether it has been installed or not. The next step would be how to run it, right? So for running, we need to go to the command prompt and we have to type Java C. But since we have not set up the path, so it will throw us an error saying Java C is not a recognized command. So what we can do, we have to set up the Java path for this. So how do we set up the Java path? You have to go to this PC and click on properties, and you can go to the advanced system settings, and here we can see environment variables. Click over here, and under the system variables, what you have to do, you have to go to the path and you have to double click, go to the end, and wherever the JDK resides, we have to go over there. Okay, we have to go over there. For my case, it's program file Java JDK. Up to the bin we have to go, and we have to just copy paste it and just provide it over here. And after that, just before that, we have to put a semicolon, and that we have to paste up to the bin location directory. Click on OK, OK, close both of these, and we have to again close the CMD as well. So the next time when we open the CMD, we see Java C. It does not throw us an error, so it shows us the list of commands, right? So up to this we are done. So now how to write and read a Java program. So for that we will go to a notepad and we'll type a normal class and class name, and we'll be providing public static void main, sorry, it's void, and we'll be providing string of arguments. Again, open up curly braces. We'll do system dot out dot print ln, just display text hello Java. Okay, and close both of the curly braces, and we'll just save it. So save as all files, whatever the class name we provided, we'll be providing same test dot with an extension of .java. Okay, now we'll go to the location where we have saved it. For my case, it's F, then Java from CMD, and we can see the test file has been created over here. Okay, so we'll just minimize this. We'll go to CMD and we have to go to F directory CLS, then we have to do cd to that Java directory and click on enter. So once we need to cross verify whether the file is present, so we'll do a dir over here, and we can see the test Java has been created. Okay, now if we provide Java C with the file name and an extension of Java and click on enter, you can see over here one class file will be generated. See, when a class file has been generated, that means our compilation part has been done successfully. And after the compilation part, what you can do, you can type on Java and just provide the class name, and the output will be displayed on the console. So in this way we can set up the Java path using environment variables.